Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk on how to enable fingerprint in your Android phone. So, all you need to do guys is to prepare your smartphone or Android phone. Alright, so before we're going to start, let us check first if there is a fingerprint lock in our mobile phone. So let's close it first and then click, and there you go. As you can see, there is no fingerprint display on the screen. So let's open it first. Let's input the password. Alright, so to start with our video, let us immediately go to our setting. Okay, so let's click setting and look for a password and security. Alright, so just scroll down your phone. Alright, so there it is. Alright, so as you can see now guys, there is a lock screen password, a face, fingerprint, and privacy password. So since that we are going to enable the fingerprint on the screen, so let's click this fingerprint and let's input first the password. So as you can see guys, there are already a registered fingerprint. So if you want to add a fingerprint, just simply tap this add fingerprint. Alright, so since we click that, there is already, it says here that place your finger on the sensor. Alright, so this one. Okay, like this. Okay, let's press the sensor and lift when you feel a vibration. Alright, so let's feel this fingerprint like that. Alright, so almost done. Alright, so enroll a fingerprint edges. Okay, so again, let's fill in this sensor or fingerprint over here like that. Alright, so just continue and it's done. So click done, and after that one guys, just tap this screen unlock and unlock. Alright, so let's stop this. Okay, and let's check if it works. Alright, so let's off our phone first, and there you go. As you can see, the fingerprint already displayed on your phone. Alright, so let's try this one. Okay, there you go. This is on how to enable fingerprint on your Android phone. Alright, so if you want to know on how to enable fingerprint in Android phone, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to enable fingerprint in Android phone, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!